Kendra, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kendra. If you're old, what is up? And for today's video, we are going to be cleaning out the fridge and freezer. So I did just get back from town. I went to about 4 different stores and I got a couple of just cleaning supplies. I got a pack of 10 sponges for $1.25. This one was also from the dollar store. This was $3. It is just greaser, so it'll work good on my stove. I got just a chloride cleaner and everything, just to keep everything nice and clean. This was $2.50 from the dollar store, I believe. And I got these for $3.99. There's just 2 wipes in here, or not wipes, 2 magic erasers. They're actually magic. They work amazing. And then from Canadian Tire, I got this stainless steel. I went to 4 different stores trying to look for this, like a stainless steel cleaner. I couldn't find one, so I googled it and this was the brand it came up with. So yes, I'll clean the toaster, the microwave, the stove, or basically anything stainless steel in the house. If you guys like the video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and press that bell to get notified every single time that I post a new video. Let's get on with the video. So I'm just going to go and show you what is up with the fridge and everything. Is inside. Like, there's just stuff everywhere. You cannot fit anything in here. Oh, instructions. I need to taught how to use my fridge. Then this is my drawer. And this is mine. And then this is the door. We have, I think these are spicy jams. Okay, fine, I'm not opening that. We have lemons, more good special jams. It's just stuff everywhere. Our water. And then for the freezer, we just have stuff everywhere. That is gross and crummy. These feel, oh no, they're not empty. But this is disgusting. This is where our ice cubes are supposed to go, but like, that's gross. More ice cube trays that are gross. And then down there is all disgusting. Guys, so the fridge is empty and this is what the kitchen looks like. This is exactly why you clean up before you start anything like this. These eggs are driving me insane because they're out of their little holes. So yes, these are farm eggs. Those are store eggs. This is my area in that corner. Yes, there is. This jar of pickles is literally empty. So that is fun. And I found some yeast in there. I haven't made bread in over 3 years. Is the last time I made bread. So, yeah. It is March 11th, 2022. So that's fun. And now let's go into Okay guys, so the inside of the fridge is basically done. This is what it looks like now. Up here we have jams, condiments, more jams, peanut butter, other stuff. We have our canning stuff here, our water, and just other stuff that doesn't fit. We have our milks here and here. That is the brown eggs, and those are the store eggs. It's just easy to move so you can get back there. And then this can come out, so I can put stuff back there, and then just, yeah, so that's easy. This one does also come out, but it's kind of heavy with all these eggs. This one comes out. Nope, it does. Yes. Okay, so obviously it still doesn't look the most aesthetic. Eventually I want to do something kind of like this. Eventually, that's like far in the future. Myself some noodles. And then finish cleaning. I have to still do the outside of the